Finisher's Edge Putty is a favorite of kitchen cabinet and millwork installers. It's used to fill nail holes and small dings and dents in wood. I've created several holes here to fill. There's several ways to do a fill. Some installers like to take their finger and scrub it across the hole. While it does fill, it doesn't give you a level fill. I like to use an old credit card. Get some putty on my card here. Smear it across the top, which will give me more of a level fill, and then come back and knock off the excess. Then use a white Scotch-Brite pad to burnish the finish, and there are your fills. When you're done with the putty, make sure you put the lid back on so it doesn't dry out. For more information on the Finisher's Edge putties, go to mohawk-finishing.com.